Welcome to this second tutorial about using gtk-fortran as a FPM dependency. As you may know, FPM is the Fortran Package Manager, which is a great tool created by the Fortran community. So first, let's look at the documentation site of the Fortran Package Manager, where you will find everything you need to install it and use it. First, we will clone here and the FPM repository inside the Fortran Lang repository. We will clone the FPM sources. So I'm going into a terminal. We can use the temporary directory, clone the sources, and then we will look into the directory. You can see there is a FPM directory, so we change directory. There is an install script, so to be sure I can use it. I will make it executable, and we will launch this install script. So it will download everything that you need to use and build FPM. No, let's clone also the gtk-0 FPM example, which you will find on my repository. So this is the URL. I will use the GitHub URL. So it's the same thing. I'm going into another tab, into the home. I clone that repository. I go into the gtk-0 FPM directory, and I can see a few directories and the fpm.2ml file, which is the manifest of the project. So let's have a look at this manifest. In this manifest you will find a description of the project, and the important part is here. In the dependencies section you can say yes, gtk-fortran is a dependency for this project. This is the URL to use on GitHub, and this is the branch that must be used, the gtk4 branch in the present case. So let's have a look. Here we can see in this tab that FPM is being compiled. It's nearly finished, and when it will be finished we will add its path to the path environment variable. Yes. So now we'll try to see if everything is okay. Yes, this is the latest version of FPM. So if I go back to the directory of my gtk-0 FPM project, I can build it simply with the fpm build command. Oh yes, it's because I need also to export the path in the other tab. So let's do it. Here we can see that FPM is downloading all the sources of the gtk-fortran project. Yes, it has built it, and it has built my project. So now I can run my project with the fpm run command. And yes, this is a simple example, just an empty window, an hello world GTK program. We can have a look at the source files. So here you can see this example is under MIT license, so you can use it to start your own project without problem. Here you can see that the program is using ISOC binding, the GTK and the glib modules of gtk-fortran. We declare it as a GTK application, and here you can see that when you start the program, in fact, you will call the callback function, which is named activate. So let's have a look at this function. This function is in the source directory into the handlers module. So in this module we have the subroutine activate that will receive two variables, two arguments. So here we have just the creation of a new GTK window with its size. We can try, for example, to change the size. I will make a bigger window, and here I can modify the title of the window, for example, with the GTK window set title command, and finally the GTK widget show will show the window on screen. So I save this document, and if I type once again fpm run, fpm has seen that I have made some modifications in the handlers file. It was recompiled, and you can see now my window updated, so everything is fine. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for listening.